In this video, you'll learn how to add files to a Claude project in a simple, clear way so you can start using your own documents inside your workspace. We'll go through the process slowly and carefully so that even if you're new to Claude or new to this kind of interface, you'll feel confident by the end. Let's start from inside your project. Once you've opened the project you want to work with, take a moment to look around the main project screen. Somewhere on this page, usually along the side or near the top, you'll see a section where your project files are listed. If this is a brand new project, that area might be empty, or it might just say something like no files yet or add files. That's totally fine. It just means you haven't uploaded anything to this project yet. The important thing here is to recognize that this is where all of your project's documents will live. Any PDFs, text files, spreadsheets, or other supported formats you upload will appear in this files area. Once they're there, Claude can reference them when you ask questions or build things inside the project. So think of this space as your project's personal library. Now, to add a new file, look for a plus icon near that files section. This plus icon is what you'll use to upload documents into the project. It might appear next to a label like add file, upload, or new, but the key thing is that plus symbol. Move your cursor over it and click. As soon as you click the plus icon, you should see a file picker or upload window open. This is usually the standard window from your computer that lets you browse through your folders. From here, navigate to where the file you want to upload is stored. It might be in your downloads folder, your documents folder, a desktop folder, or anywhere else you normally keep your work. Once you've found the file you want, click on it to select it. Depending on your system, you can sometimes select multiple files at once if you want to upload several documents together. After selecting, click the Open or Upload button in that window. This tells Claude to start bringing that file into your project. You'll typically see some kind of progress indicator or a brief loading moment while the file is being uploaded. If the file is large, give it a little time. When the upload is complete, the file's name should appear in your project's files list. That's how you know it's now part of your Claude project. From this point on, anytime you work inside that project, Claude can use the content of the uploaded file to help answer questions, summarize information, or support whatever you're building. If you don't see the file right away, try briefly refreshing the project view, but in most cases it should appear almost immediately. And that's all there is to it. Open your project, look for the files area, click the plus icon, choose your file from your computer, and upload it. Once it shows up in the list, you're ready to start using it inside Claude.